I am making this purple Halloween floral arrangement. Let me show you the floral that I will be using today. This one is called Daisies. It's just a whole pick of daisies. I love the shades on those. It's very, very spooky like. And then there's this one. This one is called a Rose Mix Bush. I love all the shades of purples on here. Isn't that neat? Look, I like that one. And then I have this one. This one is a Dahlia Mix Bush. I love that purple pumpkin in there. Isn't that gorgeous? I like it. I want to add one more floral, and it's this here. These are called a hanging greenery. It's black with purple glitter. Look at that. Isn't that spooky looking? Nice, right? And then for my container, I am using this. This is a skull's nut bowl. I went to start with the dahlia bush, and I just trimmed some of it here. I want to keep the height on this. So I'm just going to push this all the way down and then spread the floral out. That looks good. Okay, now I want to fill in all this. here is my new Halloween arrangement. Look at that. I like all the colors. All the shades of purple work really good together. Let me give it a twirl so you can see. I tried to move like the colors so you get a bit of color all over the arrangement. I like it. He now has purple brain matter coming out of his head. It's fantastic. Absolutely horrible. I hope you like this floral arrangement and that you give it a try. Thank you for stopping by. I will see you next time.